The advantage using apprenticeship programs and hiring apprentices is the fact you get to mold that person into the skill level that you need them to be at. You can't find that skill level off the street because the technology is so new. We don't have a choice but to grow our own.
We currently have 24 apprentices in our program at ZF. We use the apprenticeship program as a talent pipeline to develop our technical employees to meet the upcoming wave of retirees that's expected over the next few years.
The way my apprenticeship is set up is I attend Piedmont Technical College and I work at ZF Transmissions. All my school is paid for, my books, everything else is all paid for, and I also get paid to work.
When they complete their 4,000 hours of training on the job and receive their 2 years associate's degree, then they will be provided a chance to apply for a job at ZF Transmissions.
One of my favorite things about the program was working with robots, and it's pretty awesome.
These kids are motivated. They want to be in this program. Talking about handheld controllers like a robot or something like that, it's like second nature to them. To them, it's another Xbox controller. They just take to it like a duck to water.
Hands-on training to me really gives me more confidence to be able to actually go out in the workplace and apply that training. Sitting in class and hearing somebody talk about it, I mean, that helps to a certain extent, but when you're being trained and actually looking right at what you're going to be doing, you can't beat that.
I actually enjoy that hands-on experience, using tools that most girls have never even touched in their life.
Gabbi won the award for Outstanding Apprentice last year. She has a real strong work ethic. She knows that she's a young woman in a role that's generally a male position, but that doesn't faze her. She knows what she wants and she's willing to work hard. So she's focused, and that really helps too.
Our mentors are very helpful. They always push us to learn more and are always there when we need them.
John is a great kid. He's jumps right in and goes to work, so that's a can-do and want-to attitude that we need for ZF.
He can look at things and understand how it works and understand what he needs to do to fix it and make it better.
After I graduate, I think that I'll continue working at ZF. I just love the people and the environment. They've just done so much for me. I'm really happy to be there.
ZF has a great partnership with Apprenticeship Carolina and Piedmont Technical College. When ZF was looking for a location, one of the deciding factors was being able to develop and grow an apprenticeship program. We were able to do that working in collaboration with Apprenticeship Carolina and the South Carolina Technical College system.
It's a huge boost to the economy for ZF to even be in Lawrence County. It supplies 2,500 jobs to moms, dads, and apprentices now. It's a big win.
It's very exciting to see the young people who come into our program, how they grow, how they develop the skills, and then they move on to the next level within our company. There's a lot of promotional opportunities available to them, and it really sets them up for a great career.
This apprenticeship means so much to me. If I didn't have this opportunity at ZF, I would probably still be in the fast food industry. It's just a great opportunity to have. And as I continue forward and I'm done with the program, I will be the first woman maintenance tech at Gray Court ZF.
With an apprenticeship, you don't have to collect any debt, go to school for free, you get on-the-job training while being paid, and then after your apprenticeship's up, you have a free degree and a job opportunity. With my job at ZF, it's given me the financial security I really wanted, and I bought my first truck, paid for it in cash. It's been fantastic.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy right now, knowing that I'll have a college degree after all this hard work. I would tell other girls, any girl can do this if they set their mind to it, and I'm living proof that I came this far.